Welcome back to 4K Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the flashlight in the iPhone 11. I know it sounds a little basic, but it's a feature I stumbled across, so I thought I would share it with you. So let's get started. Let's bring up the flashlight by sliding down on the top right corner. Click the flashlight icon to activate the flashlight. Hold down the flashlight icon, and this should pop up. If you want to make the light dimmer, slide the panels down. If you want to make the light brighter, slide it up. If you want to shut the light off, click the bottom slider. And that is the feature that I discovered while using my iPhone 11. I hope this video helps. Thank you for tuning in to 4K Tech.